Hey everyone, welcome back to another comprehensive review session. Today, we're diving deep into an evaluation of Binance. I'm here to provide you with my candid, unbiased perspective on this platform, covering everything from its fee structure to its reputation within the cryptocurrency exchange landscape. So, let's buckle up and explore what Binance has to offer. Fee analysis. First off, let's talk about fees. Binance's fee system can be a bit nuanced, ranging from around 1% to as low as 0.5% per transaction. While 1% is fairly standard, dipping down to 0.5% is definitely advantageous, particularly for users who attain a certain level of verification. Cryptocurrency support. Moving on, let's delve into the cryptocurrencies supported by Binance. With a substantial array of around 500 different cryptocurrencies, Binance initially drew due to its diverse selection. It's worth noting that, while some sources mention 150 supported cryptocurrencies, this figure pertains specifically to Binance.us. The official Binance platform actually supports over 350 cryptocurrencies, providing a broad spectrum for traders. Withdrawal limits. Now, Binance allows for generous daily withdrawal limits, extending up to $1 million for fully verified users. This flexibility sets it apart from exchanges that cap withdrawals at lower amounts, typically around $100,000 per day. Accessibility and limitations. However, there are certain drawbacks to consider. Unlike some US-based exchanges, such as Coinbase or Kraken, Binance does not offer FDIC insurance on USD deposits. While Binance.us does provide this insurance, it supports fewer cryptocurrencies compared to the parent Binance platform. This duality can lead to a somewhat diluted user experience, especially for those seeking comprehensive features. Staking options. Both Binance and Binance.us support staking for various cryptocurrencies, mirroring the approach of exchanges like Coinbase. This versatility in staking options enhances the platform's appeal to users interested in earning passive income from their holdings. Security and reputation. Now, let's address some concerns regarding security and reputation. Binance has faced several hacking incidents, including a notable breach resulting in a loss of $570 million from the Binance Smart Chain network. While the platform has typically reimbursed affected users, these incidents have undoubtedly tarnished its reputation. Additionally, there have been allegations of misleading investors and operating an unregistered exchange, leading to regulatory scrutiny from entities like the SEC. Conclusion. Wrapping up our evaluation, Binance receives a rating of around 20.5, placing it at the lower end of the tier spectrum. While it offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies and generous withdrawal limits, its history of hacks and regulatory issues diminishes its appeal. Ultimately, I'd recommend exploring alternatives in the S tier of cryptocurrency exchanges for a more reliable and secure trading experience. Final thoughts. Thank you for joining me in this unbiased assessment of Binance. Remember, thorough research is essential when navigating the world of cryptocurrency exchanges, and I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, happy trading!